Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on lock screen in OPPO A79. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Enter gestures and motions. Here go for screen off gestures and activate them. Then we have a double tap to wake or turn off screen. Then there's draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on and off flashlight, and music control. Now let's try using them all. First one is double tap to wake up or a double tap to turn off your screen. Then we have draw V to turn on a flashlight. Keep in mind that your screen needs to be turned off to make that work. And also draw O to open camera. And finally, last one there was a music control, and it works like this. You need to draw arrow to the right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, draw pause button to either play or pause music. Now let's unlock our phone and check the custom gestures. You can see them in more right here. There's arrow up, M and W. If we click on each of those options, we can set a different function for it. For example, we can open any app that we have installed on our phone. In this example, let's go for Google Chrome. Activate it. And keep in mind also that all of them work the same way. You just change a function and draw different motions, so there's no need in me showing you all of them. So let's just try first one. We're gonna draw arrow up and it should launch our Google Chrome. If you have a lock screen, you will need to also unlock your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.